For us it's very exciting to see how things make our life easier in the workshop or how we can work on the exactness of our products.
L'idea è di avere un oggetto semplice, snello, che ci permette di risolvere delle problematiche di alcune fasi di lavorazione delle nostre imbarcazioni.
Goliath potrebbe migliorare il mio lavoro durante l'utilizzo delle macchine tradizionali, quindi come strumento alternativo o di supporto.
Have you ever imagined a tool that turns idea of any scale into reality without restrictions of limited space? Goliath is a CNC portable robot that moves autonomously and can be placed directly on your work surface. Goliath flexibility makes it much more affordable than a work center, both for carpentries and shared workspaces such as fab labs, schools and universities.
The Goliath CNC for me is interesting in terms of being able to produce very quickly custom designs or more spontaneously to be able to change our ideas and put them into practice as quick as possible.
Quando ho visto Goliath la prima volta sono rimasto soprattutto impressionato dalla versatilità e l'illimitato campo di lavoro.
Especially due to the size of the machine, we don't have to have it fixed in one place, so we can use it in lots of different areas in the workshop.
La cosa vantaggiosa è il fatto di poter fare tutto in casa.
Puoi utilizzarlo in ogni posto e senza limiti di dimensione del pannello e della superficie.
Può essere applicata per tanti usi, tanti scopi, dalle tavole lunghe o anche a più materiali.
We have spent many hours testing and prototyping with Goliath. Now we are very close for the final product for mass production.
One of the best things we've experienced was seeing so many different people having ideas about how and where they will use Goliath.
We strongly believe in the digital fabrication, and we can't wait to see what you are going to make with Goliath.
Show me